Hi, so let's discuss the psychology of the flag chart patterns again. Now, see this trend, this is uptrend, and also this is uptrend. So theoretically, when you are talking about an uptrend, we usually mean this pattern going up, going down, up, down, slight retracement is happening and it is moving up and up like that. And in this case, as you can see, which is more realistic, which we also saw in the Wipro, it went up and it consolidated in the sideways, and it again went up and went down, again went up and it consolidated on the sideways. So what I am telling in this case is that if a flag is formed in after an uptrend, suppose it is forming after here, we usually expect that it will form downside, like the Oro Pharma chart. We usually expect this thing. We do not expect that it will move sideways like this. Okay, and for the same reason, we also expect that it will continue the trend, that it will continue to break to the upside. So similarly, in the bear flag, our core assumption is that it will eventually give a breakdown and continue the trend. Now that actually does not happen, but that is what we call a difference between the realistic and the classic examples. Now the second thing which we are discussing there, that after this pole, the direction of the flag does not matter at all. We have seen in the Wipro that it is going upside, downside, converging, and that's why I have drawn different kind of patterns. It is going to sideways like it did in the Adani NT. It is going downside, upside, and converging. It does not matter that how it is doing afterwards. So it actually matters when you're combining with different other kind of technical aspects. But in sense of the flag pattern, it does not has any kind of much gravity with it. But if you consider the classic textbook, then this is the correct pattern, this one. So this is the actual expected correct pattern, but which does not happen in a realistically way. Now let's talk about the types of flag pattern. As we have already discussed, there are three types of trend: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trend. We also have two types of flag pattern. One is the bullish flag pattern and another one is bearish flag pattern. This is bullish and this is bearish. Anyways, traders combine the pattern with various other forms of technical and fundamental analysis, which we already saw in the Oro Pharma, and we shall be more discussing about more case studies later on. So this is a bullish flag pattern, and Oro Pharma, as you can see, it actually broke upside, and literally showing us the example is actually getting followed here. But we got lucky that it actually hit the target in the next day. Anyways, in the bearish flag pattern, which actually looks like this. So one more thing, that like we are expecting it to move downside in a bull flag pattern. In a bearish flag pattern, we are expecting it to move upside, like as you can see here. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty 5 minutes chart, and it actually broke downside in the bearish flag pattern. I actually give both of the examples in our Slack discussion forum, and in both of the cases, as you can see, I got lucky. So that's it. Let's see you in the next video.